What's going on, gardeners? It's Abundant Gardening with another gardening tip for you. Today I'm going to share with you the 1-2 steps that you need to do if you're going to be building a raised bed next spring. So here I have this section of grass that I have scalped down. That is the first step that you need to do, is scalp the grass down so that it will, because as we enter winter, it will have a hard time recovering. Any of the areas that you can't scalp down, maybe next to pipes or sprinkler heads, all you need to do is simply take a weed eater and whack it down as low as you can. As you can see, natural edges are the best. This isn't quite finished, as you can clearly see. But the second step is to either dig this all up and flip the grass over so that it will die over the winter, because it will rot down, no sunlight, and it will basically turn into just roots and grass. Or you can put a black tarp or any tarp that would block out light, and that would sufficiently kill the grass as well. Now, if you don't happen to have any of that, and all you have is Roundup or another chemical that kills grass, then go ahead and use that. I am never an advocate for pesticides or herbicides, but those are the couple steps that you can take in order to get your raised bed ready for spring. I hope you liked this video and got something out of it, and until then, I'll see you in the next video.